Hi guys, we received this premium aluminum salon tray card, which is a champagne gold color for big purposes, and let's take it out of the box. First we see the installation steps and all you need to install it, so let's go. Like that, it's ready. You can choose how you wanna fix it. I'll put it like this. Secure. It's a really nice tray. It looks beautiful. The wheels work perfectly. I like it. You can use it at the dentist consultory, for doctors, on a hair salon, nail salon, wherever you need this kind of moving trays. It will look amazing. It has a really nice champagne gold color, which gives it a more elegant design, which is really nice. So I will really recommend it. See ya.